Beauty Forever, our good friends. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I cannot comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and makeup. And Beauty Forever, because they are affordable and so beginner friendly, they allow me to do that. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know that Beauty Forever is an oldie but goodie that I absolutely love. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in, or comes with, the bowling bag storage case that I do love. I use these for everything but the storage of my wigs. Like, I have makeup, y'all know that whole spiel. I use these for everything though, so I do enjoy these. Then the wig comes in a silk storage case. It doesn't have a hard box for storage, but it does have this silk storage case with their branding on it. And then when I open this up, we have the wig and the extras that's standard that comes with all wigs now. You get some HD wig caps and an edge band with their branding on it and some bye-bye-knots tabs. Let me take it out of this plastic so we can see what I ordered up close. All right, so, oh, here are those bye-bye-knots tabs. You get quite a few. So this is one of Beauty Forever's bye-bye-knots wigs, which means it is a 7x5, which equals affordable and beginner friendly. Y'all know those are two things that I'm always looking for. It is 10 inches long and it's Yaki. I have been on this bob kick, y'all. I'm not sure when this is being uploaded, but my birthday is beginning of April and I'm turning 41, and it's like something has just jumped in me that everything I wear is supposed to be like a short bob. Now I don't know why. I do not know why. So I've been on this bob kick, so I knew I had to try this way with y'all. Beauty Forever did their upgrade. First of all, let's look at that yak though. I don't know why this just screams auntie to me. This is auntie. Even I got the auntie lipstick on, that color. They did their upgraded cap construction with this unit, y'all. So you get that 7x5 parting space that we love because it is easy, but it allows us to be versatile. So we can part this anywhere that we want, left, right, middle, you know, half up, half down. We love that. Then they have, with this upgraded cap, they have these bands of like silicone adhesion. Is not sticky to touch here at the top and in the back that allows the wig to lay flat. They have the thinner glueless band, which I prefer the thinner band. We have a wide comb in the back, and my most favorite part, that drawstring, which allows this wig to fit so securely on my head without it fitting too tight or too loose. So this is not going to take long at all, y'all. All I'm going to do is put this on my head and let you see how it looks right out of the pack. Then I'll probably have to run my flat iron through it. And I'll give you a 360 and I'll come back with my final thoughts on my auntie bob. Be right back. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again, 'cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. I told y'all, I have been trying to, and I am an auntie. Let it be known, I do have a niece who, y'all, if you've been here for a while, y'all know she's my everything. She's my entire world. But I've been trying to unlock auntie, like, up myself every time I can get. And this little bob just unlocked a new level of auntie to me. Okay, don't I like rich auntie? I don't bring anything to the function, just me. Be glad that I have come. I am the gift. Yeah, this one is a winner, y'all. I really, really, really like this unit. This is very, very pretty. And I'm glad that I went for something like this, you know, as I reintroduce Beauty Forever back into our review, you know, schedule. Because this one is just so natural and so cute. And how much is this? How many links is this one? How many links? This is 10 inches long, so you can go from there. Y'all, at this point, I want to say that I have this wig from Beauty Forever in like a 14 or a 16 as well, and I love it. But at this shorter length, I really, really, really like it with my little hoodie, okay, that I got from Fabletics. No, I'm lying. It came from Shein. Probably got a rash on my neck. So it's a winner, y'all. If you can't tell, I really, really love this unit. All I had to do, it was so beginner friendly. All I had to do was pull out the pack. I pushed back some of those baby hairs, and this is what we got. Oh, I did run my flat iron through these front pieces, and this is what we got. I love the light layering that they did in this unit. I think that it is very, very pretty. It gives like a claw cut, like vintage 1990s, so I'm in love with this. I love this unit, and I think that you will love it too once you get this one home. So yeah, this one is definitely a win. This one definitely made me happy. This was the last wig that I filmed today, and I will say that this is my most favorite out of all of the units that I did film today. I'm in love with this one, y'all. 10 out of 10. If you look down in the description box, I put a direct link to where you can get this from Beauty Forever. But I do encourage you to look around their site because they are like one of my OG like wig websites. Like, I know if I order from them, I'm going to get it for a good price. I know it's going to be here in a timely manner, and I know that I'm going to get great quality. And they just keep upping the bar on how easy and beginner friendly they are making these. And this one shows you that. I'm definitely auntie in this unit. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.